Wonder where it belongs. Oh, it's a chillin'. Hey there, kitty.
I'm gonna go bring my bike back.
Hi.
So cute. I'm gonna go get my shoes on. Make sure she doesn't.
Right there.
Wrong side.
Think so? Yeah. I'm sure she is, buddy. She'll be all right.
We're gonna keep going straight because we're not.
All right. Yeah. I think you have a bug in your hair. Oh,
I need to smack it.
oh. What kind of bug is that?
Smack it, Daddy.
I'm gonna grab him.
Daddy, you really need to see it.
There we go. He's off. He's off. I threw him in the grass.
What color was it? What was it?
It's like yellow and black. I don't know. Little bug in Lily's
I
hair.
know what it is.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's take a right. Take a right. You okay, Vinny? All right. Lily say, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. You all right? That was a deep puddle there, huh?
Look, I like that cleans my wheels.
Yeah. Good job. Let you guys go.
Till my tire gets flat.
Good one. Huh? Spanish? You gonna speak some Spanish? Not that I can see, baby girl. Yeah, Vinny. Look at you go. And there comes Lily. Blazing. Okay, So we just went on a bike ride and we saw a stray cat before we headed off, and now that cat has disappeared. So show me what you're doing there, buddy.
I'm looking for cat fur.
For cat fur.
So then we follow the fur, then it might be where the cat is going.
You're looking for cat fur for clues on where the cat has gone?
Like looking for the actual cat, and I'm hearing for like cat purrs.
You're listening for cat sounds? Those are your clues you're looking for to find the cat?
Yeah. And can I go look and see if he's like behind our gate? Like...
Sure. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. No cats over here, huh? No cats over here. Do you see the cat up there?
No.
Not yet? Cats like to climb trees, right?
Yeah, they do.
So maybe it's at the very top.
Oh, great idea.
Have you seen the cat yet?
No.
Keep looking. Okay, I think Lily's gone as high as she can go.
No, I didn't.
No? You going higher still?
I don't need that stick. I need my knife.
Yeah, I still don't see any cats.
Oh, Daddy, if I jump down, I will not do that.
How are you gonna get down?
I'll get out. I'll get off the same way. I'll get down the same way I got up.
Oh, by climbing?
My steps.
Smart. I never would have thought of that.
Yeah, you will. Maybe I'll try it all different. Maybe I won't retrace my steps.
You can do it.
Oh, I want to try to climb right here. I've never. I'm gonna try to climb like right up there. It'll be.
Oh, you are pretty high now.
Let's see if I can climb it all by myself.
You gonna try and get up there too, buddy?
Then.
What's wrong?
That bug got on me.
Got a bug on you? Oh.
I would have smacked it already. I don't want to do it.
How are you gonna get down?
You help me.
Are you gonna pay me?
No, I get it. Pay you. No, I'm not going to pay you.
All right, let's go. Come on, Benny.
Here, I'll give you money. You helped me down, so I'll give you money.
Sweet.
I'll give you $100.
$100? Did you hear that, Vinny?
$100?
Yeah.